Bitcoin hit 50K yesterday. And you're thinking, it's going up even further. It's going up. You're right, but not just yet. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Davincij Jeremy. I'm 5x5 here in Dubai. It's finally sunny and beautiful outside. I'm sure all the water and stuff like that hasn't evaporated yet, but it will eventually. Hopefully they won't make it rain anymore. But, you never know with this government. But anyways, yeah, we've got a good show for you today. We're going to show you a case for why we might have a little bit of a pullback, right, at this level. No guarantees, but there is a high probability. We're going to provide that evidence of that in today's show. Sit back, relax, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let's get to it. Okay, first thing off, right? What is this? What is this? Is this for real? Is this for real? Joe Biden's cryptic Superbowl tweet wasn't about Bitcoin, or was it? What the hell? These are laser eyes. This is about Bitcoin. What the heck? Yet we know the government is, you understand that Joe Biden is sick. He can't really form coherent sentences, and he's not putting these things out, right? You understand that, right? You understand. And if you don't, please unsubscribe and walk away. You've got bigger problems. Right? Right? So obviously somebody put this together in his administration, right? Why? To tell you to buy Bitcoin? Yeah, obviously. That's the case. That's exactly what this is about. Now, does that make sense that the government will want you to go and buy Bitcoin when they can print money? Please tell me. Does that make sense, logical sense to you? No, it doesn't. So why are they doing that? Well, it's pretty simple, right? They're not in control of the government. The government's not in control. It's other people, rich people, wealthy people. And so they also are in control of the media. And so in this media clip, you see
buying the rumors, selling the news, but now we've come back to buying. Yeah. I mean, look, the verdict.
Okay, so buying. We're just buying. Just buy. Yeah, you could just buy here. There's nothing wrong with that, right? Bitcoin will probably hit over 150K easily, and you'll sometime next year, and you'll see 3x of your money, no problem. So yeah, why not buy? Just buy, right? And that's fine. And I'm not going to knock you for it. But honestly, this is a time for a short here. Let's just see if did I get it in my short? I'm not sure. It looks like I did. Did I get a full fill or partial fill? Oh no, a full fill. So yeah, I'm in this short right now. There's a chance that it could go higher. That's just the way it works, right? I mean, the market is not guaranteed, but there's enough evidence here. And what is the evidence, right? So this is why I'm jumping in on the short, right? The entry is at 49,935. We are stopping out at 50,443 ish area. Probably a little bit higher for me. Let's see here. What do I got it at? Yeah, it's a lot higher. I got a little bit higher than that, my stop loss. And yeah, so there it is. That's the short I'm going to be taking. And the reason is, if we take a look at the charts on the daily, let's just take a look at all the evidence that brings us to this conclusion. Okay, so go to dailies. So let's go to dailies on this chart here. Okay, first off, right, let's go to this chart here. Do you think if we go to the 4 hour, is this sustainable? This move up, right? If we go auto, so does that look sustainable? That looks like we're gonna go higher. No. Right? The answer is no. There's going to be a break here, right? We have like the 13 EMAs far away. I mean, like miles away, right? We have like the Bollinger Bands 20 EMA, 20 moving average. we have another EMA here. What is it? Let's see, the 30-day SMA, right? So, yeah, we're far away, even from the 200 period moving average on the 4-hour. So this is like ridiculous. If we add the EMA ribbons, it's even more absolutely ridiculous. So looking at some of the other indicators here, you can see there is clear divergence here, right? From here or from here, there's a double divergence here, right here. And because the price here is higher than than when it was here. And we're actually rolling over. We are now in the stupid area where, hey, this is where the dumb money comes in. This area here is where dumb money comes in and buys because they're freaking out. So odds are this is going to roll over. No guarantees. This is another piece of evidence that says, hey, we have the chances are we're going to roll over here. Again, it could be wrong, but we're looking at what gives us the most likely probability. So that said, that's why I'm in the short. Okay, moving down. Ethereum, the same thing. I mean, we have done a blow off top here, just like over here. So the odds are of a little bit of a comeback is most likely at this point in time. We are going to break down and come back into the Bollinger Band because we're on the daily outside the Bollinger Band on the Ethereum. And I'm going to analyze this a little bit more, provide some information for my private group members. And if you want to be a part of my private group, you can do so by going over to Davincij15.com. Right? Our links are in the description below. And if you're interested in trading, make sure you head over to one of the exchanges in the description below. Yes. Below, we're going to have, there's only 1 day left to register and get some free cash here on CoinW. So make sure you do that so you can make this big short trade because it's going to be epic. Yeah. Now we got to be careful here because there's a lot of bullish sentiment. So this is going to be probably slow, this downward movement. So you have to be very careful with your shorts. Okay. All right. With that said, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I know I'm excited, man. Whether Bitcoin goes higher or, breaks down, it's neither here or there. We're going to have a great time in the next year or so with Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and so forth. I'm looking forward to, debating Peter Schiff. I hope this debate does go through. We're actually doing a debate. It's set for March 4th so far. And yeah, it's going to be an awesome debate if it does go through. All right. Well, thank you all for watching and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.